In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Analytics AI on Mailchimp in just a few simple steps. This is a really helpful feature if you want quick insights without digging through every report manually. You can ask Mailchimp questions about your campaign performance, audience activity, and recent trends, and let the AI do the heavy lifting for you. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to Mailchimp. You'll want to sign in to the account where your campaigns and reports are stored. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and click on Analytics. This is where Mailchimp keeps its reporting tools, performance data, and AI-powered insights. After clicking Analytics, you'll see an option for Analytics AI. Go ahead and click on that. This will open the AI Assistant area inside Mailchimp, where you can type in a question or request in plain English. You do not need to use complicated settings or technical filters. The goal here is simply to ask Mailchimp what you want to know. Now, in the input box, type anything you want to ask. For example, you could ask something like, summarize the performance of my campaigns in the last 30 days. You could also ask questions about open rates, click rates, audience growth, or which campaigns performed best. The more specific your question is, the more useful the answer will be. Once you submit your prompt, Mailchimp will start processing the request. Give it a couple of minutes to generate the result. Depending on the amount of data in your account, it may take around 2 to 3 minutes for the AI to finish analyzing everything and return a summary. While it's working, you can wait for the response and then review the insights once they appear. When the result is ready, Mailchimp will show you a generated summary based on the data in your account. This is especially useful if you want a fast overview before a meeting or if you just want to understand what is happening without manually comparing reports. You can then use that information to improve your next campaign, refine your subject lines, or adjust your email strategy. A few quick tips. Be specific with your questions. Use time ranges like last 7 days or last 30 days and ask about one topic at a time if you want cleaner results. That usually gives you better answers and makes it easier to act on the data. And that's it. You now know how to use Analytics AI on Mailchimp to get quick campaign insights in just a few clicks. If this video helped you, please hit like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.